thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the pound-dollar pair. Javier will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold drop 0.4% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Thanks, Javier. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
The US Federal Reserve is expected to implement another interest rate hike this week, despite recent indications of slowing inflation. Many experts anticipate a 25 basis points hike, raising the federal funds rate to its highest level since 2001. India has rejected Chinese automaker BYD Co.'s proposal to set up a $1 billion factory in India, in partnership with Hyderabad-based Mega Engineering and Infrastructure Limited, the Economic Times reported. China's economy lost steam in the second quarter, prompting officials to roll out several measures aimed at reinvigorating demand and heading off deflation. Gross domestic product grew at a slower than expected pace of 6.3% from a year earlier, when dozens of Chinese cities were in lockdown.
Thank you for this, Javier. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.